Do you have extra inventory at Amazon and need it removed? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do an Amazon inventory removal order so you can get that inventory out of Amazon's fulfillment center. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. We're an Amazon management and consulting firm that helps sellers like you sell and dominate on Amazon. If you're into Amazon, please do drop a like. It helps my channel grow. And if you sell on Amazon, please drop a subscribe because we're releasing really good content that's going to help you dominate on Amazon. Let's dive in. So all you're going to do is log into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go into your inventory panel and you're going to go all the way to the right to the create removal order button. You're going to create your removal order right here. As you can see, we have 13 units at Amazon. So they should allow me to remove all of the units. Maybe I have too many. And you can go right here and you can choose the method of removal. So you could do liquidations if you wanted to try to get some money back. Return address. So this is where it completely just returns to your house. This is my favorite option. Or you can donate and recycle it, which I do not recommend you do because a lot of the times Amazon will take your inventory and resell it and then compete with you. So my recommendation is always to do return to address, and if you're really not into it, do liquidations and try that first before you do that donate and recycle as a last resort. You can set your own removal order ID, but I recommend just leaving it blank and then or putting today's date if you wanted to, just to remember when did I set this removal inventory. So if today was July 6th, I'm just going to put July 6th, 2024. You can also put like what product you're removing, and then any items that you want to remove. It's gonna change this to July 6th. So maybe 12 units. You can see one is not available for removal and it'll tell you why. It'll say just please try again in 2 days. That's just Amazon sometimes. So if I want to remove all the units, I could do all 12 and then I would click review and then I would confirm that removal order. After around 30 days, sometimes it takes 60, 90, or a little bit more, Amazon will slowly ship this inventory back to you. But please note that Amazon usually doesn't send all 12 back to you right away. They'll send one in a day, then 5 days later, you'll receive another one. Amazon takes their time with removal orders. It's a very slow process that you have to monitor. I'll make another video on monitoring your removal order, but this is exactly how you place it. And that's it. I hope you learned something new in today's video. Contact EHP if you need help. Talk to you soon.